Hello lovelies, welcome back. Today we are making party jollof rice, so keep watching to see how I made this. First I'm going to season my proteins, and for that I'm using beef. I'm going to season with seasoning cubes, beef seasoning, thyme, curry powder, blended onions, ginger and garlic, salt and scotch bonnet pepper for heat. I will mix to combine, cover and allow it to steam cook for 10 to 12 minutes. 12 minutes later, I will add enough water, cover and allow it to cook properly. For my pepper mix, I'm going to wash, blend and cook it down. If you are still watching, that means you love this recipe. Please support me by sharing this video. Thank you. At this time, I check on the beef and it's fully cooked. Next, I will scoop it out and start frying. In my preheated oil, I'll go in with my onions, garlic and scotch bonnet pepper for heat. Next, I will drop the beef and allow it to fry. Once the beef is like this, I'm going to scoop it out from the oil and set it aside. In a big pot, I will add some of the oil I used in frying the beef. Next, I will add my chopped onions and minced garlic, thyme, curry powder and bay leaves. I'm going to allow it to fry for a while. Next, I will add my tomato paste and allow it to fry. Once that is done, I will add my cooked pepper mix and season with beef seasoning, paprika powder and white pepper. I will stir to combine and allow it to fry. Next, I will add my parboiled rice. Stir properly to combine. I will proceed by adding the beef stock. I will give it a good mix. Taste for salt. I will add all-purpose seasoning instead of salt. I will mix to combine, cover with foil and allow it to cook on a medium heat. At this time, I check on the rice and give it a good mix. Next, I will add fresh tomatoes to replenish water and butter for more flavor. I will mix to combine, cover and allow it to cook on a low heat until done. At this time, our rice is ready. I will start to combine and we are done. I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye.